Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today, as you can see, I have got a couple Amazon packages to unbag. So, before we get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and I want to say thank you also to everyone who has been kind and supportive of me adding the adult coloring to my channel. Now I know there's not that much of it because I'm new, but I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who is supporting my channel with both the diamond painting and the adult coloring. And I also just want to say thank you for supporting my Etsy shop, Just Minder Business, and also I am an affiliate for Diamond Painting Shop, and I will have all the links in the description box for you to check out. And if you use my code, which is scarlet10, I think, you'll have to look, I don't remember, but you will get 10% off your total purchase through Diamond Painting Shop. So, go check her out. There are beautiful canvases. Everything is licensed. And Rosa is just an awesome, awesome lady. So, alright, let's get into this and see what I have. I hope everybody's having a great day. Okay, so the first thing I have is a diamond painting. We'll just put that over there out of the way. Now, I will have to say that I seen this on Diamond Painting with Sweet Tea. If you haven't been on her YouTube channel, go check her out. I will leave a link to her channel in my description box. But she did an unboxing of this canvas, and I loved it and went straight over to Amazon and purchased it. So, in this kit, you get your green boat, you get a squishy, you get 2 squares of pink wax, you get 2 clear pins, one with a multi-placer of it looks like maybe a 7 or a 9, and then you get a straightener in there and some baggies. So, not a bad toolkit. And here are the drills. Now, I'm not going to take these out because I've got another bag to open and show y'all. But you can see that it is a round, full drill. It does have the canvas number on the bags of drills. And they are really, really pretty. Got some reds, blues, yellows, browns, green, gray. You got all kinds of fall colors in there. So, this is the image, y'all. She unbagged this, Sweet Tea unbagged this on her channel. And like I said, I seen it, loved it, and went, as soon as her video was over, I jumped right on Amazon and grabbed it. So, I don't remember how much I gave for it, though. I'm thinking it was maybe $5.99, $6.99, something like that. But it has got 29 colors. It does have the DMC numbers labeled on the schematic. There is a thumbnail up here at the top, and it is a 30 by 40. And as you can see, while I have it lifted up here, the drill field looks wonderful. Even on the dark colors, they have printed a white number on the dark, and then they have got the dark letters on the light. I love that. I love it when they do that. Very, very sticky. But yeah, they've got the schematic on the top left, bottom right. And like I said, there's 29 colors. But I seen this, and y'all know I have a thing about gnomes. And I have got just about almost every holiday now. I have a canvas with gnomes on it. But I didn't have Thanksgiving. So when she opened this, I was like, bam, there it is. I got to go get it. So I did. So now I do think I have a gnome canvas for every holiday. I'll have to check, but I'm pretty sure I do. But it is so pretty because they're dressed up like pilgrims. And you got the girl over here. She's got a pie. You know it's apple. You know that's an apple pie. And then the sunflowers, and then the maple leaves. And then these big old pumpkins are behind them. Well, you know what? That might be a pumpkin pie. I don't know. And then you got the grass. And then you got this gingham down here at the bottom and up here at the top. So, so pretty. I absolutely love this one. I'm going to have to say, out of all my gnomes, this is probably in my top 5. And I've got some cute gnome canvases, but I really, really like this one. So, thank you, Sweet Tea, for showing that on your channel, because if you hadn't, I wouldn't have seen it because I had not seen this one. So, like I said, I will put a link to Sweet Tea's YouTube channel in my description, and go check her out if you have not seen her channel. Alright, so what is the next thing that I have, y'all? Well, this kind of goes along with the other thing that I have been doing, and that is coloring. So, I seen these 2 coloring books and had to have them. Ooh, that one's scratched up a little bit, but that's okay. But I had to have them. Now, as you know, I have just started getting into adult coloring. Now, back in the day, I used to do some coloring. I always colored when I was a kid. But then I quit, you know, because I became a teenager and, you know, there was other things going on. So, then I picked it back up probably in my 30s. 20s, 30s, something like that. I'm 50, so I've not colored in a long time. So, yeah, it is so far advanced. It's not just a coloring book and crayons anymore. They have got so many mixed mediums, and y'all, I'm just like astonished at how much this stuff is, and how much, you know, or how many different things. You've got your crayons, you've got your paints, your markers, your gel pens, your colored pencils. You got, oh my God, and then all the different kind. You know, well, you know, I guess it's just like anything. If you want to do it, get into it. You're gonna pay for what you're gonna do. So, all right. So I loved this one. It's Adorable Characters, Cuteness Overload. And it is Grayscale, and this is coloring book 6, and it is, oh gosh, is it Daria? Good Lord, I don't know. Y'all, I can't pronounce that. So, I'm not going to go through all of this, but I do know that they say, because I have watched a couple YouTube tutorials on some of this stuff, but the Grayscale is for people who are trying to learn how to do shading, and it's like the darker gray is where your darker color goes that you're going to use, and then the medium looking is where your medium color goes, and then like here in the light is where your light color goes. Like I said, it's a lot to coloring anymore, y'all. It's crazy. But yeah, look at how cute. That was the one I seen. Somebody had colored it, And I seen it, and I went and looked to see what coloring book it was, and that's how I come across this book. So, but yeah, this is so cute. So cute. And if anybody wants me to do a video of a flip through on any of the coloring books that I have showed since I started doing this, let me know and I will. So this one is called Gypsy Dancer, and it is Deborah Muller, and it is, the cover is colored by Tiffany Krizwicki, I think, but the artist is Deborah Muller. But yeah, I've got another one of her books, and I really like this artist. So I seen a lot. She has got a lot of coloring books, but I do love the Gypsy. I have just a tad Gypsy in me, and I love it. So when I seen this one, I had to have it. But it is so pretty, and all the things, there's some that in here that has got so much detail, and then there's some in here that's not really got a whole lot of detail at all. And as you can see, even on this one, let's see, yeah, this is one-sided, so that way if you're going to use markers or something, it won't, there's not a picture on this side for it to mess up. Just make sure you put something in between the pages. But yeah, love these. So, alright y'all, that's all I got. I just wanted to come on here and show y'all a little bit of what I had got from Amazon. And I will leave a link to the coloring books and the canvas and Sweet Tea, her channel, in my description box. So yeah, y'all jump on over there to Amazon and check these out. And until my next video, y'all, please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up for the likes, all that good YouTubey stuff. But yeah, leave me a comment if y'all have these or this, or give me some tips, tricks, I don't care. Just talk to me. I enjoy your comments. So, alright y'all, until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye y'all.